In this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link your Tangerine bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Wallet. On this page where it says Banks and Cards, go ahead and press on Add New, and then press on Banks. On this page, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see Tangerine Bank, but if you don't see it for whatever reason, go to the top search bar here, just simply type in Tangerine, and then press it that way. It'll then redirect you to a new login screen right here, which you guys can see. You can type in your username, your number, your client number, your PIN or your password, and then once that is done, press on the blue button that says Agree and Link to proceed to the next steps. So that is how to link your Tangerine bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.